Hi, I'm Stefan, the automotive DIY guy. Do you have a Subaru Outback and you want to improve your exhaust? I'll show you how. All right, y'all, so let's talk about this project a little bit and the reasons why you may want to do this yourself. Now, this is the brand new exhaust from AWE Tuning for the Outback 2.4. This is their 0FG exhaust suite. It has less weight, gains a little bit of horsepower, has great bash guards, and also is going to change the tone of your exhaust of your Subaru, which is really, really cool. I'm going to walk you through this whole project and how you get it installed. Obviously, I've already got the car up in the air, and you know, if you've ever seen any of my videos, I always talk about this. Be really, really careful when you get your car in the air. Now, you can do this with jacks and jack stands for sure. Obviously, I'm using my quick jacks in this case. Make sure to check those out. They are a fantastic product. So, get your car up in the air. We're going to walk you through the whole process of the install. Let's get underneath the car. All right, y'all, so starting back here on the passenger rear, you can see the hanger here for the back exhaust box. There's another one on this side. There's 2 hangers per back box. You can see they connect to the mid pipe here. 1, 2, 3, 4. As we slide up the car, you can see we're going to come all the way up past the resonator here in the middle and all the way up to the top bolts here. Now, all of these bolts are 14s, so here, here, and then the 4 at the other end. We're going to take the mid pipe off first, so go ahead and back these 14s out. Be careful you don't lose the springs. So go ahead and back those out, and then back down at this end. Go ahead and release the back boxes here and here. There's 2 bolts on each side.